I apologize, guys. I did not record the first two boxes. We'll do a hit recap and show what's going on. That is totally my fault. We'll do a recap on it. It's been a long time since I pulled that off. That's real nice. I love when I do stuff like that. Alright. 4 packs to the third box. Well, good thing is all these seem normal, so maybe more of the Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay, I was just double checking and I was correct. That is Denver for the redemption on the Cody Latimer. Alright, guys, third box, first card, Mr. Freeman and Julio Jones and RG3. First hit. It's going to Detroit for Ebron. On card auto. 49 out of 50. Going to Detroit. On card auto for Detroit. They're on the board. And we got Garoppolo. Not numbered. Rookie card. And we got Bryant. Rookie card. Steelers. And Johnson, Detroit. A little bit old school. Aikman, Cowboys. And the next hit is going to the Bengals for Bernard. Triple patch auto. Number 2 of 50. Going to the Bengals. And we got Mr. Graham, number 9 of 99. Lacey, Green Bay. Jenkins, rookie, Tampa Bay. Ryan, Falcons. Let's see what we got here. Got another quad. But this one's all going to the Dallas Cowboys. We got Romo, Bryant, Witten, and Mr. Murray. And that is numbered 12 of 99. Going to the Cowboys. Nice quad for the Cowboys. Barry Sanders, not numbered, Detroit. Clowney, rookie card. If you guys missed it, we had a 1-1 Clowney come out of the last break. Very sweet looking card. On card auto. Williams, rookie card for the Giants. And Mr. Johnson, canvas reprint for Detroit. Last hit of box 3 is, well, there he is. Didn't even have to look him up. I just needed to wait a little bit longer. Cody Latimer, jumbo patch. 17 out of 115. Went to the Bronx. Excuse me. And Graham, not numbered. All right, guys. Fourth and final box of the night. Guys, if you hadn't got a hit, good luck to everyone. Hopefully something's in here for you. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Use the Sterling box again. Second pack. And third pack. Yeah, guys, check out my eBay page. We're going to have more breaks coming. I'm not breaking tomorrow night, Friday, but I have 2 going on Saturday, and I got 3 going on Sunday. And then it's going to be 2 a night, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Some nights are going to be National Treasures, some's going to be Black and Gold, some's 5-star, and triple threads. Got 4 box breaks going on for autographed mini helmets. We got, let's see, 4 of those coming up. Got 2 cases. That's the big one sitting right there. And I can't wait to get into the National Treasures. Or the 5-star. I haven't broke 5-star yet, so that ought to be fun. Can't wait to see what comes out of those. I've been in some myself, but I've never broken myself, so I've seen some nasty stuff come out of that before. Alright, guys, last box. Good luck to everyone. Trey Mason, rookie for the Rams. Kaepernick, San Fran. And canvas reprint, Mr. Cam Newton, Carolina. First hit is Gordon for the Browns. On card auto with his number attached. And it's numbered 18/75. Going to the Browns. And old school Aikman, not numbered. Breeze. Cruz for the Giants. West, rookie card for the Browns. Next hit is another Eric Ebron. But this one's a lower number than the rest of them have been tonight. 3 solids and a 3-color patch. Numbered 6/25. Detroit's got 2 nice hits on the board. And we've got Marshall, Bears. Latimer, rookie card, Bronx. Harvin. Romo, Cowboys. Next hit. Holy smokes, another one. How about Mr. Latimer? This man is everywhere tonight. That's 3 hits for him. All right, it is numbered 92/200. Broncos having a great break tonight. Got a 2-color, 2 solids, auto. Going to the Bronx. Bridgewater rookie, not numbered. Moncrief rookie, Colts. Lynch, Seahawks. Bo Jackson, Raiders. And the last one is going to jumbo patch for the Browns, Johnny Manziel. 98/115. All I got to say is I hope this old boy shows up on the football field like he does in boxes of cards. If so, you're going to be a superstar next year. All right, Jeremy Hill, rookie for the Bengals. And this one is numbered 10/50. Going to Alright, guys. Due to me not recording the first two, I'm going to go ahead and do a recap for whoever wants to stick in and see it. That way we can have that. This was the first box that I did not record. Thomas, jumbo 3-colored patch for the Chiefs. 4 out of 25. Kansas City. And we got Mathis, numbered 3 out of 50 quad. 3 solid, 1 dual. We had a redemption signature swatches dual relic autograph. Jeremy Hill. And Mr. Ball, numbered 11 out of 50 on card auto for the Bronx. This was the second box. For the Chiefs, Tumba, I guess that's how you say it. Pro Bowl, jumbo patch, 41 out of 150 for the Chiefs. Looks like Chiefs and the Bronx just own this break this time. And Mr. Murray, auto 3-colored bottom, solid top, 15 out of 25 for the Chiefs. Mr. Robinson for the Jags, 47 out of 50. Quad patch. Going to the Jags. Third box. Mr. Latimer. And that is a series autograph gold parallel. Not sure what those are numbered to. Hold me to it, but they're 50 or 25. Latimer again. Jumbo patch, number to 115 for the Bronx. Really nice quad. Going to the Cowboys. Witten, Murray, Romo, and Bryant. And Bernard, 3 patch auto, number 2 of 50. Bengals. Ebron, on card auto, 49 out of 50. Detroit. And the last box. Johnny Manziel, jumbo, number to 115 for the Browns. Latimer, auto, 3 patch, 2 solids, 1 dual, numbered to 200, the Bronx. Ebron, quad, 3 solid, and 1 3-color, number to 25, Detroit. And last, Gordon, on card auto, number to 75 for the Browns. Well, guys, I appreciate everybody joining me tonight. Like I said, keep an eye on my eBay page. I'm not breaking tomorrow night, but we will be rocking it all weekend. I think there's 5 scheduled breaks between Saturday and Sunday. Once again, guys, thanks for joining me. I enjoyed it. Y'all have a great evening, and I will hopefully see you guys this weekend. Good night, guys.